I am not Kenneth.
Neither am I. So today we'll be doing the unboxing of the 2000.
Wait, they need to know who we are.
Good.
Cut! Hindi kita! Tanggalin niyo to! Oh, director.
Going back. Take 2.
Grabe nyo to. Hi guys! Ganon.
Oh.
Dapat
Hi guys! Welcome back to Kenneth B's channel. What's up everyone? Welcome back to Kenneth B's channel. I am not Kenneth.
I'm not Kenneth as well.
Because you are.
Guest vlogger number 1.
And I'm guest vlogger number 2.
We're here today to do the unboxing of 2019 planner for Starbucks.
Yes, Starbucks. What color is this? Do they all look the same?
I don't know.
Okay, let's find
From
out.
the past, they do have like different colors. So this time, they have the, what do you call this?
Starbucks card?
I know this is a Starbucks card, but there's a, I think this is the loyalty card. Starbucks loyalty card.
Alright,
So,
go ahead. How do you
get one? Of course, you need to buy drinks, 18 cups of any type of
We're not even
drinks.
ready to remove the plastic.
I know.
There you go. Oh.
I think for 2018 or the 2019 planner, any type of drinks, because I know from the past, like 2007, 2008, it needs to be combination of hot and cold drinks. Oh my god. Ah, there.
Oh, there.
There's a line. I'm sorry, guys.
It's
So,
like the one from the cigarettes,
If you will be
right?
unboxing your own
So this is how
planner,
you do it.
there's like a black plastic
Black strip.
Yeah, strip, like from the ones in the cigarette. So you just need to.
As if we smoke, right? No, we don't smoke. Smoking is bad for your health. Let me help you with that.
Hey Starbucks, can you
Oh my
please
god!
make
What did
it?
you do?
Sorry. Can you please make it easier for us to unbox or open the planner? And if you can just like remove the plastic because you're not
I'm so
saving
sorry, whoever the owner of this is.
Mother Earth.
Okay, let's unbox. There is a what is this supposed to be? There's an empty white box.
That's a jacket, right? A planner jacket or a.
What is this?
This is where you put your
Okay.
planner.
It looks nice.
It is. Every
In
time that
front.
they have
But at the back,
planner.
it looks doesn't look nice. This one is okay.
No.
What is this supposed to be?
No, there's a. The reason
I think that's where you
see-
put the.
The reason why you have it there, it's because
That's where you put the.
yeah, it fits. It's where you
Yes.
put your loyalty card. So
And your barya.
this is like another innovation from them.
Oh, wow.
This is the first time that they
Innovative.
have a pocket inside or a compartment inside. Although it's a small compartment, so you can also put your money here. If you're so,
So
afraid
let's
of
now
the
unbox
magnanakaw.
the entire thing. There you go! Voila! And this is how it looks like. It looks like Mother Earth. And it says, like inspiration. I don't know what that means. But see, Starbucks, you're really making it difficult for us to unbox this freaking planner.
And it is a lot of plastic.
I can't. I don't have any nails.
But I think we need scissors. I cut the
Or at
entire
least-
thing.
Whoever owns this planner, I'm so sorry. We are so sorry. Okay, let's see. Let's see how we can.
We murdered the planner.
I'm so sorry. So sorry. See? Did you hear that? In the background, someone said, babayaran nyo yan. For how much? I don't know how much this cost. Honestly. Because I seldom drink Starbucks. Oh, sorry. I'm looking at her right now. You don't want to anger her. So, wait, there's something in here. It says,
It's just a code, I think.
okay, a code. I don't know if they're gonna have a raffle or something. Maybe.
No.
What does
It's
it
just-
say?
It says PBRN 0 or whatever. It's for inventory, I guess.
And there's a garter.
It always has a garter.
It smells nice.
No.
It smells like National Bookstore. We're not plugging National Bookstore or anything. We're only plugging Starbucks.
One thing
So-
that I like from Starbucks planner is the stickers. I don't know if they still have
I don't
that.
think they have
Oh,
that.
they don't have the jacket here anymore. It used to have like a jacket here for your...
Did you ever own a Starbucks planner?
Yes, 2017. And I did not buy anything for that. It was a gift.
So this is how the Starbucks planner looks like, alright? I don't know what that is, but it's like some hashtags on January, hashtag wishes come true. Whatever that means. I'm a June baby, so it says June, hashtag color your summer. Okay, I'll do that. Thank you. What about yours? November?
No.
Oh, August. Hashtag your feelings today.
Oh my god.
What are your feelings today?
I'm happy.
But anyway, these are the pages of the planner.
you
So
have
exciting!
You have
Guys,
your
come on.
calendar there for 2019 and 2020. Mm. Ah, looks good.
Oh, that's nice. Make your friends smile. Kim, shout out to Kim. Make your friends smile. For June, where is it? This is where it says that.
And it used to
Color
have like
your summer.
I used to have like a vouchers.
There's nothing anymore.
No more voucher. Oh, there is.
Purchase any espresso beverage and receive a second espresso. Oh, okay.
But it used to be plenty for their voucher. Now I
There's
think
only
they
like-
only have like a couple.
7.
Seven.
Only 7.
Why Starbucks? Why?
What did you do? Is this because of the train law?
I think so.
Okay, so that's
No,
it.
not just the train, no, because this is global, right? The planner, or this is only good for Philippines. Global. Okay.
So try something new for November. And then for December, I don't know what it is. December. Here you go. Merry. Be merry. Hashtag.
Oh, they
Nothing.
already have like a theme. They already have like a theme for each month, because before, I think they don't have any. They just put like the month here and then some design. But now, if it's December, it says Merry. Hashtag be merry. And then,
What's the purpose of this again?
this is to plan your life.
I'm not hating on anyone, alright? I'm just asking what you're supposed to do with a planner.
You write stuff. You write your thing. If you will be planning.
Oh, there's like a diary part.
There's a diary part, but then.
Dear Diary, I am Kim. I have a big
the
crush
space for
on...
writing is, I think it's too small because there's a lot of graphics.
So, for example, September 2, Monday, you only have this much space, right?
Yeah.
Or probably you can put here and then whatever
Yeah, put a
the
note.
rest is on the
But
other
it could have
side.
been better if one page could be like half, right? We will have it so.
But
This is
Eza,
September
the planner
pages.
will be like this. This thick. Maybe this thick. And again, we would like to say thank you to Dunkin' Donuts. Although now they want to go with Dunkin', they're removing the name Donuts. I
Why
don't know
is
what
it once
the
upon a
purpose
time
is.
for September?
I have no idea. Once upon a time, and then how come there's so many? When is Easter? Easter is not
Easter.
September. How come there's so many bunnies?
I don't know.
So Starbucks, give us a shout out, okay? Let us know what these mean. I don't know what that means.
Let's
Explain to me.
check for August. Like, what's the major event?
This is yours. Your feelings today.
Ah,
What? Oh, okay.
it's not really like a general theme.
I
So
like this. The Dreamcatcher flavor. Kim, what's your birth month? September. Oh, okay.
that's why I
You're
checked
the one with
September.
the...
So that's it for the
You're supposed to make
Starbucks.
many Lil Kims.
I'm ending the vlog.
Okay, we're ending the vlog because it's not that exciting unboxing.
There's no sticker, and then the voucher. We have less voucher.
I'm sure.
And the inside pocket is no longer available. Kasi the planner that I used to have, there's a pocket here. So if you have like receipts, important letters or what have you can just put it inside. Or even the pen. I like it when they have the pen and you can erase the ink. So I think that's the best planner that they ever.
The 2017.
Yeah, the 2017. Because that's the only planner that I got from Starbucks.
That makes sense.
That's why it's the best.
I think this is for the pen, but they just forgot to give the pen. What is this exactly?
So, the question is it worth it?
You guys decide, right?
Bye!
Because- Yes. Oh, don't forget to subscribe to Kenneth B's channel.
Comment below.
Yes, there's also a link below. Make sure that you also click on the bell button if you want to get notifications, right? Every time Kenneth has new materials out there. Alright? Thank you guys so much. This is us. Bye.
Guest vlogger number 1 and guest vlogger number 2.
Yes.
Signing off.
Grabe, sinira nyo yan.
Grabe. Grabe.
Talagang...
Life. Para daw kasi tayo nasa TMZ.
Hashtag cisgen on air. Sinira yung lalagyan. I'm so sorry.
Kayo na lang magre-review. As birthday ko pa September, kung ano-ano pinagsasabi nyo.
It means you need to create your little Kims. Ang dami nun eh. Ang daming bunnies.
Okay lang.
Hello.
Yun lang nasabi.
Ano masasabi mo naman?
Natapos ko naman
She's the owner of the planner.
Hindi, wag mo isama yan.
Galit na galit siya dahil nasira.
Ayun ba kinuha na?
Tama na!